Good morning students. Today I would like to discuss about square roots and cube roots. This is chapter 6 in our textbook. From geometry, a square is a closed figure with four equal sides. Let us consider a unit square. What is a unit square? A unit square is a square whose side is 1 unit. What is the area of the square? Area of the square is side into side is equal to side square. If the length of the side is equal to 2 units, then area of the square is equal to 2 into 2 is equal to 2 square is equal to 4 units. Understand? Observe the pattern of factors in each case. 1 equal to 1 into 1 is equal to 1 square, 4 is equal to 2 into 2 is equal to 2 square, 9 is equal to 3 into 3 equal to 3 square, 16 equal to 4 into 4 equal to 4 square, 25 is equal to 5 into 5 equal to 5 square, and so on. M is equal to n into n is equal to n square. M and R integers. You might have observed in the given pattern that the numbers are expressed as the product of two equal factors. Such numbers are called squares. In general, the definition of square is if an integer m is expressed as n square, where n is an integer, then m is a square number, or m is a square of n. M is equal to n into n is equal to n square. Here 1 square is equal to 1, 2 square is equal to 4, 3 square is equal to 9, 4 square is equal to 16, 5 square is equal to 25. Properties of square numbers. Observe the digits in the units place of the square numbers in the below table. All these numbers end with 0, 1, 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. So we can say that all square numbers end with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, but not vice versa. Observe in 30, units place is 0, but it is not a square number. 21, in unit place is 1, but it is not a square number. 14, 4 is in unit place, but it is not a square number. 65, 76, 99 are not square numbers, even though they end with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. Perfect square. What is perfect square? A perfect square is a rational number that is equal to the square of another rational number. For example, 2.25 is equal to 1.5 into 1.5 is equal to 1.5 whole square. All square numbers are perfect squares, but all perfect squares may not be square number. So, 2.25 is a perfect square, but not a square number. Why? Every integer is a rational number, but rational numbers are not integers. So, all square numbers are perfect squares. Square numbers are integers. Perfect squares are rational numbers. Okay? Discuss about Pythagorean triplet. Generally, ABC are positive integers. If a square plus b square is equal to c square, then ABC are said to Pythagorean triplet. For example, 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. 3 square is equal to 9 plus 4 square is equal to 16. 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. That is equal to 5 square. Therefore, 3, 4, 5 are Pythagorean triplet. General form of Pythagorean triplet is 2m, m square minus 1, m square plus 1. M belongs to whole number, or Pythagorean triplet. For example, if you take m is equal to 8, implies 2m is equal to 16, m square minus 1 is equal to 64 minus 1 is equal to 63, m square plus 1 is equal to 64 plus 1 is equal to 65. 16 square plus 63 square is equal to 65 square. That is equal to 256 plus 3969 is equal to 4225. So 16, 63, 65 are Pythagorean triplet. If there are no common factors other than 1 among ABC, then the triplet ABC is called primitive triplet. For example, 3, 4, 5 are primitive triplets. There is no common factors other than 1. We will discuss about square roots. If a square number is expressed as a product of two equal factors, then the one factor is the square root of that number. This symbol is represented by square root. 3 square is equal to 9, therefore root 9 is equal to 3. 4 square is equal to 16, therefore root 16 is equal to 4. So on, y square is equal to x, therefore square root of x is y. Root x is equal to y. 25 is the square of both 5 and minus 5. Therefore, the square root of 25 is 5 or minus 5. But in this chapter, we will discuss only the positive square root, which is also called principal square root. It is written as root 25 is equal to 5. Observe the table. These are the squares and square roots. You should remember these first 10 squares and square roots and by heart it.